Restoring sending privileges on YouTube can be essential for content creators who want to share their videos effectively. Follow these steps to regain your sending capabilities. Step 1. Sign into your YouTube account. Log into your YouTube account using your credentials. Ensure you are using the account that originally had the sending privileges. Step 2. Check community guidelines. Review YouTube's community guidelines to ensure you have not violated any rules that could have led to the loss of privileges. Understanding these guidelines can help you avoid future issues. Step 3. Appeal the decision. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Wait for a response. After submitting your appeal, wait for YouTube to review your case. This process can take several days, so be patient while they assess your situation. Step 5. Follow up. If you do not receive a response within a reasonable time frame, consider following up with YouTube support for an update on your appeal status. By following these steps, you can work towards restoring your sending privileges on YouTube. Good luck!